Good morning. My name is Will Kumar. I'm a student of Kingston University. I'm doing MSc in software engineering, and this is the video recording about performance testing and black box testing using LoadComplete 4. Today I'm going to demonstrate how we have a build application on Ruby on Rails. So it's all about the performance testing and the black box testing. So let's begin with the LoadComplete 4. So I'm gonna load the software called LoadComplete using version 4. So first of all, need to create a project for the test. So I'm just gonna create the project called Ruby CV Builder and click finish. Yeah, so for testing we need to create the scenario. So what exactly we are going to test it. So for doing that we need to record a scenario, and to record a scenario I'm just gonna click the record user scenario and give it the name as a login. So scenario name is a login and the test name is a login, because we are testing the application in a chunk by chunk. So first of all, I'm going to demonstrate how we going to test the login page. So here I'm going to select Google Chrome, and here is the link of the website, and leave the mode as it is and press the record. And once you press the record, the screen, the Google Chrome will open up, and you press the sign in button, and here you will get the sign in page. Here I'm going to select the username, which is omshiv2415@yahoo.co.uk, but remember you have to give exact password, so don't use the password which is already saved, but just you have to type it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do the sign in. Okay, sign in done successfully. Let's now, here I'm going to stop and let's press finish, and here you can view the scenario, what is happened. So page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the query. So this is all about like the first, the page load, and the second you will see the sign in page, and then you load Ruby Civil and it's make a query to check whether the username and password matches. So this is all the requests. Now what we're gonna do is, here it's gonna test our recorded scenario. So I'm just gonna right click and just press the run login, and it's preparing for simulation. So yeah, so basically we have a 4 view at the moment: basic quality graph, load time graph, the transfer speed graph, and the custom graph. So as you can see, the green color indicates the past request, and if some errors, means the red colors. On the other side you can see the virtual users with the sky blue, and time to be lost bytes, which is the red. So it's nearly finished the first login scenario, and it's completely done, and it says it's recorded. And here you can see the report, and it says Ruby CV Builder login successfully. It generates the report so we can just go to the report as well, and we can see the summary of like the time, date, start time, finish, initialized errors, warning, load profile, and scenario complete time, and page load time, and time to first byte. So let's go to the detail in the load graph. So here you can see nicely the performance about the one user which we have used for this testing. So you can increase the users as well, so you can go to up to 50 users in a trial mode. Right, this is the host Google Chrome. We use our Google Chrome, so it's a google.com, and here is the link of our Ruby CV Builder.heroku.com, and I think yeah, let's see the pass and fail. And here is it's a nice graph. It says like 100% scenario 1 is passed, and page resources. So let's have a look. OK, page is 6, resources loading results, request 10%, 100% pass request. So here it will display the pass requests. Yep, and it says in the seconds, and pass request by users, warning and errors. Let's have a look. What's the warning and errors? Warning and errors. Yeah, it's nice. We warning and errors as well, and quality errors could not display the graph because the page load time threshold setting was not specified. So just leave that, and the quality service same as that, and the failed validation. So I don't think so we have any failed validation with virtual users. Yeah. So let's record another scenario and have a look how it will be. Scenario now, download CV. Okay. Yeah, as soon we already logged in our pass scenario. So here I'm going to provide the old name and the details about myself. So just not gonna provide the actual date. Here I have set 10 years from sorry, this is 14 years from beginning date. So to creating a the CV, the person age must be 14, so that's why I have deducted from today's date 14 years. So just gonna select my date of birth, 16 October 1981, and here I'm going to provide the details about the email and address, home address, say just press Croydon, and here is my URL, contact preferences. I'm not selecting my photograph at the moment. I'm just gonna leave it as it is because it's optional. I'm not uploading a CV because I can update it later on, because I have provided option for 2 CVs. User can upload their own CV to the website, and the system also can generate CV by itself. So I'm just gonna leave it education level as 3, meaning you can select here 3, number of GCSE 6, UCAS point I'm just gonna 175 or more, AA grade student completed, and I'm just gonna write about me. So for that I'm just gonna copy my about me statement. and just I'm gonna say create. Yeah, person was created successfully. So here is a about me, GCSE details, and personal information, and contact me, but still something missing in the CV, so which is the educational and experience and job preferences and skills. So education wise, I'm just gonna do my education detail: BSc Computing System, level 6, and what was the main subject, which is a software development, University of Ulster, United Kingdom, and I have achieved a first class degree. The project was a heat-filled surgery. Appointment booking system, and just gonna press submit. It was a May 2015. So as you can see here, once you fill up the such information about education, you are able to view the education detail and on the CV page. So right, I'm just gonna put the experience as well, and job preferences and skills, so it will cover the whole actual scenario and explanation in the same time. So software developer, just gonna select the okay, just company name randomly, and April 2012 to April 2015, and just submit. The same way, now you can see the experience as well on the CV page, employment. Yeah, so now job preferences, looking for a software engineer, senior, where you can select the role, graduate. Okay, London, and happy to relocate. Yes, here you can select the destination where actually you are looking for the job, and just press submit. It says the job title already has been taken. Okay, sorry, I already created, so I'm just gonna select software developer, and select submit. Yeah, submitted successfully. Yeah, job title, yeah, software developer, role senior, location London, and happy to relocate. Yes, that's fine. Now the remaining thing is a skill, so I'm just gonna add the skills type, which is programming, and I have a Java. I'm just gonna select how much I'm efficient in Java, so I can select 9 and just submit, and skill was successfully created. And now you can see the skill. You can add multiple skills if you want, so I'm just gonna add one designing skill, which is Photoshop, and just select as level 6. And now see, the skills comes automatically. What you can edit here, you can delete. I'm not gonna add the reference at the moment. So now it's the nice view of the CV is generated. So now here you can edit anything, or you can delete if you don't want it. But for personal information and contact me, you can edit. You cannot delete by default, because it was the one requirement. And now here on the top you can see the print or download CV. So I'm just gonna click print or download CV. Let's see, it will allow to download or print. So yes, so now here you can download the CV by clicking download button, and yeah, I'm just gonna save it and download it. And now I'm just gonna stop and scenario is finished. And now I'm going to run that scenario and let's see whether it's passed or failed. So I know it's a bit long, but it is necessary for testing purpose. I'm gonna pause the video once it's nearly complete the test. I'm just gonna resume it because I think it's gonna take long, or I can leave it as it is, doesn't matter. Okay, I'm just not gonna pause because if any errors comes, it also recorded in current video as well. So let's see whether it takes, because we recorded nearly 4 or 5 minutes for creating CV, and after that we downloaded, so I think it will take little bit longer, but it is a part of the testing, so I'll just leave it as it is. Right, yeah, it's taking a bit long. Yeah, guys, roughly 7 minutes it's gone through. So we'll see now. It's nearly, and you can see the progress on the right hand side top corner. It's load testing progress. Yeah, it's finishing, it's completed, and it's generating the report. Right, I have some errors, so it's failed, so there is some problem inside, which is we will see the warnings, and there's 6 errors. So warning we can view here. Right, it's expected 200 and expected 302. The received response from the expected. So it's working fine, but we downloaded the CV, but there is like we set some criteria for from what going one page to another page by default while it was recording, but it's not actually meeting the what milliseconds it should perform, so that's why it's a fail. So I'm going to correct this in development again, so I have to correct these errors, and that's it for the testing part. So one test passed, one is failed. So here is the demonstration what LoadComplete for it's help us to build our test cases and the scenarios, and then we test the application and need to go analyze our report in more detail to make our application perfect. So here is the all errors and authentication token for request. Right, so I'm going to submit this report with my documentation as well. So that's it for now, and thank you very much for watching this video, and thanks for your time. Thank you.